Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the United States is set to invest over $100 million in the Caribbean region to stem the flow of illegal weapons, help Haiti's humanitarian crisis, and support climate change initiatives.
The announcement was made today at a meeting in the Bahamas. Kalisha Williams reports.
The calls have been getting louder by Caribbean governments for the United States to act to stem the flow of illegal guns in countries like Jamaica. On Thursday,
the United States Department of Justice will create a new position, a coordinator for Caribbean firearms prosecutions, which will help maximize information sharing between our countries to support the prosecution of traffickers. This effort will be aided by the bipartisan Safer Communities Act, which President Biden signed last year, and includes new federal criminal offenses for firearms trafficking and straw purchases.
United States Vice President Kamala Harris was addressing a meeting of Caribbean and U.S. leaders in the Bahamas Thursday. She stressed the Biden administration's commitment to disrupting gun trafficking, interdicting shipments of arms and ammunition, as well as holding traffickers accountable. The U.S. is also providing assistance to the newly established Caribbean Crime Gun Intelligence Unit headquartered in Trinidad and Tobago,
to train officials in firearms investigations and help bring criminals to justice.
And with Haiti being a major transshipment point for guns and ammunition,
we will stand up a Haiti transnational criminal investigative unit in collaboration with the Haitian National Police to facilitate investigation and prosecution of firearms and human trafficking, which affects the entire region.
The pronouncement by the United States Vice President comes on the heels of a regional crime symposium where Caribbean leaders vowed to continue lobbying the United States for its assistance in stemming the flow of guns into the Caribbean. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.